Welcome to the MOVISUITE tutorial series of SEW-EURODRIVE. This video gives you a brief overview of the basic functions of the MOVISUITE engineering software. MOVISUITE is the innovative engineering software for all products of the modular automation system MOVISUITE. Projects can be effectively created offline or directly online from a network scan. Opening, importing, and saving existing projects is of course possible at any time. The compact circle view shows the selected products in detail. Ideal for smaller projects. For larger projects with multiple components, simply switch to the clear tree view. If you want to add products to the project, the integrated catalog will help you. You can choose from the entire MOVISUITE portfolio from SEW-EURODRIVE. The commissioning of a drivetrain is carried out quickly and flexibly. Only a few inputs, and after a short time, a drivetrain is completely configured. Even complex drives, for example with encoder, gear unit, additional transmission, drive wheel, and user units can be put together comfortably. Almost there. You have selected the drivetrain. Only seconds to the rotating motor. No problem with the use of integrated manual mode. In addition to the speed and position-controlled manual mode, it also offers a load cycling and a cycle mode. With the load cycling or cycle mode, the mass moment of inertia of your application can be automatically determined. The mass moment of inertia is needed to optimize the controller settings. For the final touch in the controller optimization, or for the execution of a detailed diagnosis, please use the Scope tool. It is an inherent part of MOVISUITE. With the help of this scope, every operating point can be displayed and analyzed in detail. In addition, a data logger function is offered. It allows the permanent logging of process data. The parameterization of the MOVISAFE safety cards is also carried out with MOVISUITE. I thank you for your interest, and I'd like to draw your attention to the other videos in the MOVISUITE tutorial series.